Okay, this is going to be fast and furious because I have to open this. I'm too excited not to. What's going on, YouTube? We got a special unboxing today.
I want to see the fish.
You want to see the fish? I don't have a fish. I got a horse on my knife.
I want to see your horse on your knife.
Let me do this first, okay?
What's this?
That's a nail clipper. Talk about organic unboxing. Oh, yeah. He did it like that.
I'll put it on my fingers.
No, you can't cut your fingernails.
I'll put it on my fingers.
Oh, yeah, this is going to be a good one. Pocket check. Stonewash Eklipse Harpoon Spanto with textured titanium, battle blue hardware, and a 35-year tab.
What's this? Daddy.
That's glue.
What's this?
Press the button.
Not so loud.
All right, now I can do this.
This is too loud.
I did not want to damage the contents of this box, per it being a very, very important knife in this box. Oh yeah, he did it right. Are you guys ready for this? Disclaimer, this does not belong to me. It's going to my buddy. But he had it sent here so I could check it out.
What's this, guys?
Stonewashed, full track. I'm speechless. That's pretty incredible. It's a chunky boy right there. There's the tool. Man, that's cool. Wow. Look at the milling. Camera shake. I'm sorry I'm not talking. You guys just enjoy this. Man, that's stellar. Tri-way full track. All right, that's all I got. This is going to a friend of mine. He said I could check it out first. My first impressions are, that's an incredible knife. The flipper tab is a beast. Cool. Can you say bye? Bye. Happy Cinco de Mayo, y'all. Peace.